This is one January sowing mistake which ruins more gardens than anything else. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be sharing about mistakes what people make in the allotment and garden in January in the UK. So one of the biggest mistakes is obviously sowing too early, and yeah, you've just got to be patient and wait for the warmer weather come March time and get sowing all those seeds. Now come March, my greenhouse will be absolutely full to busting with seed trays. That is one of the reasons why I do all my maintenance and work down at the plot throughout all the winter. It's good to keep going to the allotment throughout the winter period and get all the work done, get it all dug over, get the beds prepared and get it all ready, because come March time it's a busy time down at the plot. You'll be sowing all your seeds, you'll be having to keep them watered on a regular basis once they start germinating, which is a job in itself. I absolutely hate watering. It's one of the worst jobs that I hate doing down at the allotment. And then once they've obviously all grown to a decent size, you'll be potting them all on. So it's a busy time down at the allotment. So I see loads of people online starting the tomatoes off now, and yeah, it's pretty much too early to be starting the tomatoes off. They can grow leggy and you can end up wasting money sowing seeds now, and you'll end up having to buy more tomato seeds later. So start them off March time and they do catch up and they'll keep fruiting all the way up to the October if it is nice and warm and we're getting plenty of light. So yeah, wait until March to sow the tomatoes, and that is one of the biggest tips that I can give. And another reason for failure is that there's no plan for potting on. Obviously you can be starting all your seeds off in your house in January, and if you do that, what are you going to do once they're all ready to pot on? If your greenhouse is cold, you won't be able to put them in there to keep them potted on. So that is another reason why you should start to wait till March, so that you've got plenty of warmth and heat and light to pot them on come March time. A lot of people assume that heat replaces light, whereas it doesn't. Obviously certain seeds like your chilies, your peppers and your aubergines need heat and light. If they haven't got the light, they'll grow leggy and you'll end up wasting all your seeds and starting again. So don't presume that heat will replace light, because they need both to get a great germination and to grow well and strong. And obviously you don't want them all over your kitchen table because they won't get the light. They need to be on windowsills. And yeah, a lot of people fail because they get excited. I get excited come January, it's time to get started and get growing again, but you just have to wait. Just wait until it gets warmer. Have some restraint on yourself and start the growing period in March and not January, and you'll get some great crops, trust me. I've been doing it for 20 years and I used to start early when I first started, and I learned from my mistakes. It's worth off waiting until March, April time to get things started and germinated. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our tips and videos, and when we start sowing all our seeds down here at the allotment. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.